up, vlog? Just another day. I'm gonna go to the gym again, get a little workout in. Told you guys I was gonna be doing you know, adding some fitness stuff in. See, it's right there. Listen how loud this fucking thing is. There's the old girl. We got the 1LE. Just been pretty much chilling here. Oh, there's the light. So we gotta take that out one of these days. Go for a nice cruise. Let's go ahead and hop in Brianna again. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I don't know if you can see it. Instagram, YouTube. Feeling a little Spanish music right now, you know? I'm gonna try my best to do some like daily-ish videos of, I don't know, whatever the fuck I'm doing, like fitness or car stuff. I'm just gonna try to record as much as I can. The attempt is going to be daily videos, but so yeah, right now we're going to the gym again. I know I just posted that video pretty much being at the fucking gym the whole day, but today that's not gonna be the case. Today, I'm gonna get a little workout in, and then I'm gonna give you guys like some pulls, some like exhaust. The video's about the exhaust, you know? So I did the full headers and whatnot, so I did the install video, but I didn't really do like a review video of like what I think about it. I mean, obviously you can hear it, you know, it's fucking pretty loud, but you know, we're gonna do like I'm gonna put the GoPro on the back of the car, and I'm going to I'm gonna give you guys like some pulls and whatnot. This is in the cabin. I mean, it's pretty fucking loud, eh? But yeah, so little workout and the exhaust video, guys. I'll see you guys in a little.
So dramatic.
Look, it's a whole stack. They may not look big, but they're pretty strong. Shit.
What?
Here. Oh, there she is. We just finished at the gym. Just a little accessory work. Nothing fancy. Like I was saying in my last video, I kind of like to do my like cardio and then my bodybuilding accessory workouts after that, and then do the CrossFit and the heavy lifting later in the day and whatnot. I'm gonna go do the real video, and I feel like after I did the header install and the tune and everything, like yeah, you heard the exhaust, but we're gonna do some like full-on exhaust clips of like the headers with no cats, no mufflers, kind of like how I did with the AWE Tuning Catback compared to the stock and whatnot.
Nice race car you got there.
Thanks, dude. You want to say what's up to the vlog?
What's going on? It's been a while.
It's been a long time, man. How you doing?
Good.
Keys on you?
Yeah.
You want to give it a start up?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. The vlog hasn't heard Penny. Yeah. I think the last time Penny was in the video was when we drove it that one day. Or you let me drive it, yeah. Let's hear this old piece of shit.
Hey.
Hey. Looks like it starts up better.
It kind of like worked itself out.
How does your neighbor right there not arrest you?
I don't know. He loved it. I took him for a ride. He was like, dude, this is the greatest thing ever.
Really?
Their son on the end, he's like really little and he hates it.
Really?
Yeah, so like when I come to work, I park on the street.
Makes you giggle, dude. I love it. So I was thinking that we could do it how we did the other exhaust videos.
Yeah.
But I also want to get like I want to do some flybys.
Right.
And then I want to, since I have the GoPro, I want to put the GoPro on the back of the car.
Oh, that'd be cool.
And do some like cool shots with that. So I was supposed to turn left right there, right? Yeah. was like, I was farther away than this red light. It was red. And I was just like, fuck it, dude.
Oh, you did it consciously?
Oh,
like,
yeah. No, I saw it turn red and I was like, okay, I'll go.
I ain't no square. I ain't stopping.
Yeah. I need new brakes anyways, so, you know, it was either like grind up my brakes.
Fuck that.
Or fucking just send it.
Send it. Was that 90?
What?
Is that just 90?
Yeah.
Dude, you like ruined me. My car doesn't even feel fast. Like I've done all that shit.
I've been trying to tell you this, dude.
God, this thing sounds so fucking good.
I fucking love it. I feel like we're only going to be able to do this like once or twice.
I mean, last time we passed the cop, even.
Oh,
remember?
yeah. Yeah, but now the car is like 10 times louder.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's I guess in the car, in the cabin, we should do windows up before we do the flybys.
Okay.
Make sure your AC seats are on. Oh, okay. I was like, oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Like, I think it's because of all the loud music and loud cars I've been around.
Yeah.
So, like, my ears don't really care anymore.
Yeah.
But when I first got in this car, they were, like, on the verge of ringing.
Dude.
Like, have you ever been to Budds Creek and you've been, like, kind of, like, a little bit back and, like, a Pro Mod does a burnout? It's like, it's your ears are almost ringing. That's what this car is inside.
Dude, I was so scared to drive it when I first installed it.
Yeah.
I think I put that in the vlog, and now I just fucking drive it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the no muffler gang.
Right. Well, you were all, oh, dude, it's too loud.
Yeah, I was. I haven't done a burnout in a while. I should probably do one, shouldn't
I'm not gonna tell you no.
I? I don't even know if I remember how to do a burnout. Remember all those burnouts we were doing?
I know. We're assistant professors.
Yeah, we were teaching burnout classes.
Maybe we shouldn't do them.
Nope. No burnouts there.
I don't know if the vlog could see it, but there was a park police.
There is a park police right there. Alright guys, Pat is recording on the outside. We're just gonna get a little flybys. There's a nice Camaro right there, brother. Hell yeah, dude. Let's get some flyby action. Showing you how fucking loud this exhaust is, bro. There he is. Give us some room.
Like Bud's Creek.
Really? Dude, honestly, I feel like, except for on the highway, do you feel like it just got louder? I feel like it just got louder.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like all of a sudden it's back to being loud as shit. I feel like driving quietly like makes it go quiet.
Right, it's good.
Yeah,
it's good loud.
Sound good?
Sounds great.
Videos look cool?
I think so. If my hand's too shaky.
If you guys don't like the video, it's his fucking
yeah,
fault.
Exactly.
Damn, I use a quarter tank of gas.
If you're on E85, it'd be like half.
Bro,